students, class 10, example sum 7.25. A jewel box, see this is a jewel box is given, is in the shape of cuboid of dimension 30, 15 and 10 is given, surmounted by the off part of the cylinder. Here the top portion is the cylindrical portion, the cylindrical portion is off of the cylindrical portion. Shown in the figure, find the volume and then total surface area of the box. We want to find the volume of this box and the total surface area. Here the dimension of the box is given as 30 into 15 into 10. So let me take it as length is equal to 30 centimeter, and the breadth is equal to 15 centimeter, and the height h is equal to 10 centimeter. The given is 30 into 15 into 10, the dimension of the box. So let me take it as LBH. Now the box is like this. And here we have the surmounted of cylindrical portion. Right? Here we have the surmounted of cylindrical portion. Here also we have the height. So if the length of the box is nothing but the height, we want to find the radius also. Let the cylindrical radius, here this breadth is nothing but the radius, diameter of the box, right? So for cylinder, here half of the portion only, here we have the diameter d is equal to 15 centimeter. See, this portion is equal to this portion, right? So diameter is equal to 15 centimeter, then radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is 15 divided by 2 or 7.5. And then height will be here, let me take it as h1. h1 is nothing but this height, this length is nothing but this length. And so the length is equal to height, that is 30 centimeter. Now we want to find the volume. So volume of the box is equal to, we want to find the volume of the box means first the volume of the cuboid, first the volume of the cuboid and half of that cylindrical portion only, in the half portion only here we have, so half of the cylindrical portion. So volume of cuboid into, plus half into volume of cylinder, half of the cylindrical portion. The volume of the cuboid, we know the formula, length into breadth into h, LBH, plus half into volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Here h is nothing but h1. So let me take it as h1 cubic units. Now substitute the values as it is in that given. This term is equal to, let length is equal to 30, breadth is equal to 15, and the height h is equal to 10, plus half into pi value is 22 divided by 7, the radius r is equal to 15 divided by 2 whole square. So I write it in the 2 times, and then height is equal to 30. Now 3 15s are 45, right? 3 15s are 45, that is 45 into 10 means 450. Here we have 1 0, so 4500 plus half into, here 2 1s are 2 11s are, here 2 1s are 2 15s are, right? Let me multiply the terms. 15 into 15 into 15, 15 into 15, we know that 225 into 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 remainder 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, and then 5 2 2, 5 7 3 3 into 11. Here we have 11, so multiple by 11. So 3375, and then again 3375. So 5, 2, remainder 1, 11, remainder 1, 7, 3. So 3, 7, 1, 2, 5. If we divide by 2, we get 3 1s are 3, so 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 17, 2 8s are 16, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 6. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1 means we get 5. So 1856 2.5. And also here we have one denominator 7, right? Now 4500 plus this term is divided by 7, we get 562.5 is divided by 7. 7 2s are 14, 45, 6 are 42, 36, 5s are 35, remainder 1, 12, 1s are 7, divided by 5, 55. Here we have decimal. 55 means 7 8s are 56. It's not possible, so 7 7s are 49, remainder 6, 0, 8s are 56. So remainder 4, 40, 3 5s are 35. So this decimal place is 5. So we have take one more, 2651.79. So sum of this term is equal to 79. Here 1517 volume, right? So centimeter cube is the volume. Now we want to find out the total surface area. Now we want to find the total surface area means the curved surface area of cuboid plus half of the curved surface area of cylinder. That is the formula, right? The total lateral surface area or curved surface area, we can call it as a lateral surface area also. So the lateral surface area of the cuboid is nothing but 2 into L plus B into H is the formula, right? Plus half into curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Here we have take it as R1. So here 2 will be cancelled. Let me take it as 2 into the length is 30 and the breadth is 15. The height is 10 plus 1 by 2 into 22 divided by 7, and then radius R is equal to 6. Height H1 is equal to 30. So the cylindrical radius is 15 divided by 2. The radius of cylinder is 15 divided by 2. Now we can reduce this. 2 1s are 2 15s are 2 1s are 2. Cancel it. Then 45. When you add this 45 into 2 is 90. 90 into 10 is 900. Plus. So here we have 22 into 15 into 15 is 225 divided by 7. So now we multiply the term. 225 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 0 remainder 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 2s are 4. Right? Again the same term, we get 0, 5, 9, 4. So this term is divided by 7. 4950 is divided by 7. 7 7s are 49. Right? Here we have 5. It is not possible, so put 0 and add 0. 7 7s are again 49. 7 7s are 49. Then if we divide this term, we get 1 and add 0. 7 1s are 7, remainder 3. 7 5s are 7 4s are 28, remainder 2. 7 2s are. So here we have 701 900 plus, when you divide this we get 707.14. Sum of this term is equal to, now add this term, we get 0.14. 709 plus 7 is 16. Here we are finding the total surface area, so we have centimeter square. So the total surface area of that box is 1607.14 centimeter square, and then the volume is, we have found out the volume is equal to, what you have found out, 7151.79 centimeter cube is the volume. Thank you, students.